Hi there. It's good to see you again. Now it's time to wrap things up with interesting capstone project. In this session, we are going to see what this capstone project is all about. So the problem statement that we are solving basically tries to build a research assistant using multiple agents. So how this project is going to be structured is that we'll have a series of agents which are going to help user perform the research on their queries. These agents will be able to search on a vector database and essentially retrieve what the answers are relevant for that user question. The agent will be able to summarize and also format the responses based upon our requirements. The best part about this project is all the entities or components that we are going to be using are completely open source and free to use. We'll be using some local embeddings, VectorDB, which is FAISS. So we have already studied FAISS in our previous course, and also LangGraph, which again is completely open source. So this is what the high level architecture of our project is going to look like. So at the root, we'll have a router or an orchestrator agent, which will decide what it needs to do next. Meaning this router agent will basically redirect your user queries to either, let's say, a research agent or a regular chitchat agent. The research agent is then supposed to retrieve the information from a vector database based upon the user input. And the summarizer agent will then summarize everything that has been returned to it by the research agent, right? So into a more condensed format. And finally, we'll have a writer agent which will take the summarized text and essentially it will basically, format the response in a way which the user has requested it or in which we have requested it from the agent itself. So let's jump into the next notebook.